Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a job at Hamad Medical Corporation. First, navigate to their official careers website. You'll find a dedicated section for job opportunities. Take some time to explore the various roles available across different departments. Carefully read through the job descriptions to ensure your qualifications match the requirements before proceeding. Once you've found a suitable position, you'll need to create a new user account. Use a valid email address for registration, as this will be your primary contact method. Proceed to fill out the online application form completely, providing accurate details about your education and experience. Remember to upload all required documents, such as your curriculum vitae and relevant certifications. Before finalizing your application, take a moment to double-check all the information you've provided for accuracy. Once you're confident, submit your application. You should receive a confirmation that your submission was successful. Afterward, you can conveniently track the status of your application through your personalized online portal, keeping you informed every step of the way. If your application is shortlisted, you may be invited for an interview. Prepare thoroughly by researching Hamad Medical Corporation's mission and values. Be sure to respond promptly to any communication you receive from their recruitment team. Additionally, be ready to provide any further documents or information they might request to support your application.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.